Let's see the question number 17. Given the following code, what are the elements inside of K list? We have this K list with the numbers 1, 2, 3. Then we have a variable called remove that is equals to k.append. After this, we do remove 3, remove 2, and remove 1. The options that we have are A, we get a list with 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Then we have B, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. C is an empty list, and D is a list with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So for us to see what is inside of the list, we must print the list, okay? And let me open the terminal, and the right answer is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 is the option A. So let's understand what this code actually do. First, Python starts by creating a list in memory with the values 1, 2, and 3. Then it creates a variable k that is pointing to the list that we just created. Next, Python creates a variable called remove that is pointing to k.append. Then we call remove passing the value 3. What this is actually doing is it is calling the method append on a list with the values 1, 2, and 3, passing the value 3. In other words, it is adding the number 3 to the tail of our list. And about the remove variable, well, the name of the variable has nothing to do with the action that is actually being performed. Let's go forward. Python calls again remove passing the value 2. It will call the method append passing the value 2, so the number 2 is added to the tail of our list, and now we have 1, 2, 3, 3, and 2. Finally, Python goes to the last line and calls remove passing the value 1. As you can guess, it is appending the value 1 to the tail of our list, so we get 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And this is why the option A is the right answer.